This quick video, I'll show you how to transfer USDT from Revolut to Bybit. After you open the Bybit app on your mobile phone, go to Assets. After you come to Assets, go to Deposit. After you go to Deposit like this, go to Deposit Crypto. So now go ahead and search for USDT at the top. So after you search for USDT like this, so now select the network you want to use. So I'll go ahead and use BNB network, that will Binance Merchant Network. After you select the network, now here is the address. So now swipe this right. So now copy the address. Here is the address. After you copy the address, now open the Revolut app. After you open the Revolut app, now you'll be able to see a tab where it says crypto. After you go to crypto tab, then scroll to down and select USDT. After you select the USDT, then tap on send button. After you tap on the send button, you'll be able to see where it says send to wallet. So select the send to wallet. From there, it will ask you to paste in the address and specify the amount. After that, it will allow you to tap on withdraw button. From there, the USDT will be sent into your Bybit account. And that's it, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below.